score, Mike?
Sierra Papa 5 Delta Charlie.
Is that correct? This is GB1BB.
Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Call in.
I can hear G0, Bravo, Zulu Kilo. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. We have been in the stand. We're in the Mersey class lifeboat. Looking ready to depart pretty soon. I can give you a signal of 5 and 7. This is GB1BB to G0, B0, Zulu Kilo.
Golf 0, Bravo, Zulu Kilo. Bravo, Zulu Kilo. This is Bramble. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Golf 0, Bravo, Zulu Kilo. This is GB1BB. Thanks for your call, 73.
Juliet 1, Alpha Lima. Delta Juliet 1, Alpha Lima.
Mike India 0, Tango, Golf Oscar Portable.
Lima, I can hear you coming through loud and strong. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. I can give you a 5 and 9 signal. This is Nicholas calling from the Bramble Bank.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. This is Delta Juliet 1, Alpha Lima. Yeah, tremendous signal, 5 by 9, 59. Thank you very much. Many people calling non-stop. Hi. Thank you very much. 70, good luck to you. Bye-bye.
Charlie.
Goodbye. This is GB1BB calling to you and
Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike. Hero, EVM. Hero, EVM. Call in.
555. This is Nicholas calling from the Bramble Bank. Thank you for calling. Golf 4, X-Ray Zulu Lima.
Yeah, Roger. And the location is not too far away from the lot C. Anyway, very well done, and I hope you make many more contacts before the tide comes in. 73.
Thank you, Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike.
This is GB1BB calling CQ and listening.
Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike. Echo Victor Mike.
GMY Nicholas. Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Did I hear call sign ending GMY? There's a bit of a cacophony happening at the moment. Could GMY call sign please repeat?
Golf 0, Golf Mike Yankee. G0 GMY Paul Nicholas.
G0 GMY. Paul, nice to hear you. This is GB1BB. I'm going to give you a signal of 3 and 3, not too good coming through. Let me know how I'm coming through to you. Anyway, you're in the log.
Thank you, Nicholas. You're very strong, 5 and 9 plus 20. And thanks for the report. Very good luck and get home safe. Bye-bye.
Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike.
This is GB1BB calling CQ.
Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Tango Golf Oscar Portable. Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Tango Golf Oscar Portable. Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Echo Victoria, Mexico. Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Call sign coming through, but I'm addressing Mike 0, Tango Oscar Golf Portable. I'm giving you a signal of 5 and 5. This is Nicholas calling from GB1BB on the Bramble Bank.
Tango Golf Oscar Portable.
Mike 0, Tango Golf Oscar Portable, is that correct? Confirm please.
Roger, Brian, Western Northern Ireland, 5 and 9. Good luck, bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Brian. Thank you for the strong signal in Northern Ireland, 7373. This is GB1BB, calling CQ and listening.
Correct.
Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Victoria, Mexico.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Please call again. I'm getting a lot of signals coming through at the same time.
2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Echo Victoria, Mexico. Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Sorry, getting lots of call signs coming all at once. Can I please have the Tango Delta Oscar call sign repeat one more time, please? Sorry about that. This is GB1BB calling CT and
2 Echo 0.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Charlie, Charlie,
Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico. 20 EVN calling.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
20 EVN calling.
Charlie 1 Delta Juliet.
2E0 call signs, please. Too many call signs to process at the moment. Are there any 2E0s?
Yeah, 20 EVN, 2 Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike.
Hello, did I hear 2 Echo 0, Echo Victor Golf?
No, negative. Echo Victoria, Mexico. Echo Victoria, Mexico.
I think I can hear you on 3 and 3.
2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico. QSL.
Your barely readable call sign ending Echo Victor Golf.
Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Echo Victor Mike, I can hear. What's your full call sign?
Yeah, 2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Operator Eddie, Painting.
Understand that.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Mexico, QSL.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
I can hear you quite strongly. This is GB1BB. Your call signal is 5 and 5. This is Nicholas calling. Can I have your name and location, please?
GB1BB, this is 2E0NVH. My name is Nev November Echo Victor, and the location is Lock's Heath in Hampshire. You're coming through at a good 5 and 9 plus 40 here. Over.
Thank you, Nev. This at Lock's Heath. This is Nicholas. Yes, I can hear you. Your signal's improved. I can give you a 5 and 7. Thank you very much for calling. 73.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Charlie.
Sierra Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Charlie, Charlie.
Sierra Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. Sierra Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo.
Bravo. I think I can hear you on 3 and 3. This is Nicholas calling.
2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Sugar Mike 1 Tango Delta Echo. You're 59, very loud, and the name is Eric, over.
Alright, thank you very much for trying to keep through. I know you've been trying a long time. Yes, thank you for the very strong signal. Best of luck. 73.
Thank you.
2 Echo 0, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Echo Victor Mike Papa Echo
Charlie, Charlie.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Papa Echo 1, Oscar Delta Yankee.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Papa Echo 1, Oscar Delta Yankee. Papa Echo 1, Ontario, Denmark, Yokohama.
What's it called?
X-ray Ocean.
What's it called?
Hotel Golf Alpha.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
What's it called?
Papa Echo 1, Oscar Delta Yankee.
Bravo, calling TQ in the sailing from the Bramble Bank. We're trying to operate a special
Papa Echo 1, Oscar Delta Yankee.
Go 7 Juliet Victor Golf. Go 7 Juliet Victor Golf.
Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Go 7 Japan Victor Golf.
Charlie, Tango.
Is that correct? Golf
Yeah,
Victor Golf is
yeah, GB1BB. I think that's the call I'm getting. It might be getting clowered here. Like, yeah, it's the call sign. Golf 7 Juliet Victor Golf. My name's Al. In the QDH is a small village Wardley up in Newcastle, Tyne and Weir. Lovely signal, yeah, 59 plus 50 in here, and I won't keep it too long. What's my report, over?
Golf 7 Julia Victor Golf. You have a report of 5 and 7. Very good. Thanks for calling in. I hope you heard that. This is Nicholas from GB1BB.
Yes, okay, thanks very much, and enjoy the event. It's a lovely signal. Bye-bye.
Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. 20 EVM.
Okay, thank you.
Echo 0, Tango, Victoria.
Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. 20 EVM, Nicholas.
Nice to hear you, Steve. Thanks for coming back to us. That is 2B0, Romeo Quebec Delta. I can hear you fairly strongly. I'm going to give you a 5 and 7 report here from the Bramble Bank. It's Nicholas at GB1BB. Thanks for coming in.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. EVM calling Nicholas.
Echo. Tango. 2 Echo 0, Victor November. Tango.
Delta X-ray Ocean.
Mike 0, X-ray. United Echo.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico, Nicholas.
Are there any 2 Echo 01?
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico. Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Bravo. Can you confirm that, please? That's G0, Romeo India Bravo from GB1BB.
Roger, Nicholas, GB1BB. This is Golf 0, Romeo India Bravo. Name here is Alan, and I'm in Havant on the mainland.
Golf 0, Romeo India Bravo. Alan in Havant, I can hear you loud and clear. Top of the shot, 5 and 9 for you. This is GB1BB 73. Thanks for calling. You're in the log.
Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Mike 0, 19 Echo.
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victoria, Mexico.
Mike 0, X-ray Lima Tango.
Mike 0, X-ray Lima Tango. Mike 0, X-ray Lima Tango. I'm hearing you at a very...
Two Echo Zero, Echo Victor Mike.
This is GB1B.
Shut up.
Mike 0, X-ray Lima Tango. I'm giving you a 3 and 3 report Can you give me my report? Thank you.
Roger, Roger, Nicholas. You're 5 and 9, Nicholas. 59 into the Yorkshire Dales. 5 and 9 Yorkshire Dales, over.
Lovely to get a 5 and 9 all the way into the Yorkshire Dales. Yes, lovely thoughts up there. Thanks very much. Have a good day. 73. This is GB1BB calling CQ and listening.
Mike India 5, Japan, Yankee Kilo.
Q Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike.
GB1BB.
Q Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike.
Q Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike. Q Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike. This is GB1BB. I'm trying to reach 2 Echo 0, Echo Victor Mike. I'm giving you a 3 and 3 read report. Your signal is quite scratchy. Can you hear me? This is GB1BB. Nicholas calling from the Bramble Bank.
Yeah, all copied there, Nicholas. You're 5 and 5. 5 and 5 to me, QSL.
I've got that. You've given me a 5 and 5 report.
Yeah, the operator name is Eddie. Location is Tor Bay. Eddie in Tor Bay. QSL.
Your call 73.
India 4, Fox, United Echo.
3 Quebec. Golf 1, Echo 0, Fox, Victor November.
Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Golf 1, India Charlie, Lima.
This is Edwin in Titchfield. Thank you very much, young sir. We're getting about 5 and 6 here in the Principality of Titchfield. Good wishes, and you've done a fantastic job. 2E0, Lima Delta 73.
2E0, Lima Delta, thank you very much for your good wishes. First time here operating an HF station. Thank you very much for the feedback. This is GB1BB calling CQ and listening.
Oscar November 8, Juliet.
Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Mike 1, India Charlie, Lima.
Golf 1, Hotel, Golf Alpha.
Oscar November 8, Juliet.
Mike India 5, Japan,
Lima Yankee 3, Quebec.
This is GB1BB, Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo, calling from the middle of the Solent on the Bramble Bank. We are closing quite soon. Can I just request due to the signal as we cannot move our frequency change at the moment. We're stuck on this frequency. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo, calling CQ and listening for a short time only.
Oscar November 8, Juliet. Lima Yankee 3, Quebec. 5, Japan, November. Lima Yankee 3, Quebec. 1, India Charlie, Lima.
Golf Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. Picking up your signal nice and strong here. I'm giving you a 5 and 7. This is Nicholas from the Bramble Bank. Thank you, Eric. 23 kilometres away. Thank you. Nice to hear cows, my hometown. Thank you very much. This is GB1BB calling CQ and listening.
Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Golf 1, Hotel, Golf Alpha. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Golf 1, Hotel, Golf Alpha. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. I have a 5 and 7 signal for you, Nicholas, from the Bramble Bank.
Thanks for the 5x7, Nicholas. You're also 5x7. The call is G1HGA. The location is Leicester and where are we? That's about it. Cheers.
Thanks, G1HGA up in Leicester. Nice to get you down. This is GB1BB. GB1BB closing shortly. Calling CQ, calling CQ.
November. 1, India Charlie, Lima.
Mike Hotel.
Lima Yankee 3, Quebec.
4, Fox, United Echo.
2 Charlie 0, November, Uniform, November.
Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. You have a 5 and 7 report. This is Nicholas from the Bramble Bank.
Mike 1 Juliet, Mike Hotel.
Okay, I think we lost Mike 1 India Charlie Lima. This is GB1BB calling to Q and listening. Golf 4 Charlie Charlie Charlie. Charlie Lima back giving me a 5-9. Is that correct?
Roger, Roger, you're 5959 QSL. If you repeat my report, please. Name's Ian in Cheshire, QSL.
Ian in Cheshire, I can confirm your report of 5-9. Thank you very much. I'm going to give you a 5-7. I will update my report 5 and 7. Thank you for calling. Can you read me?
Roger, Roger, you're 5959 QSL.
Thank you for the 5-9 report. You are 5 and 7.
Roger, Roger, 7-3, good luck.
73, thanks for calling.
Mike India Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf Quebec. Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf.
Charlie Charlie Charlie.
Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf.
Can I hear Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf? I'm listening out to hear Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Thank you very much. You picked me up in the crowd. Very good evening there from Luxembourg. The name here is Gary Golf Echo Radio, and you are the strongest station here, which I can hear on 40 meters, 5-9 plus 20, maybe 25. Okay, back to you there. Name here is Gary Golf Echo Radio, QTH near the city of Cale. Kilo Alpha Yankee Lima.
Very nice. Thank you to hear Luxembourg calling. Can I give you a 5 and 7 report? It's Nicholas here. And can you just confirm your call sign for the log?
Okay, the call sign here is Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf. Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf at your 5 and 9 plus here in Luxembourg.
Thank you, Luxembourg. Lima X-ray 1 Sierra Golf. I'm giving you a 5 and 7. Thank you for calling. You're in the log. Congratulations for getting through. Such a big crowd out there. 73.
73, bye-bye, good luck, take care.
Fox, Victor November. India, Lima, Yankee 3, Quebec. Charlie, 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 uniform November. Lima, Yankee 3, Quebec. Golf 8, India, Quebec, Lima. Lima, Yankee 3, Quebec.
Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Mike 1 Juliet, Mike Hotel.
Golf 8, India, Quebec, Lima.
2 Echo 0, November, uniform November.
Yes.
Bravo, this is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo, calling TQ from the Solent on the Bramble Bank, calling TQ and listening, we'll start the engines very shortly. This is GB1BB, calling TQ and listening for final time.
Lima, Yankee 3, Quebec. Lima, Yankee 3, Quebec. London, Yankee 3, Quebec.
Charlie, London, Charlie, Charlie. London Yankee 3 Quebec, I can hear you. Or London Yankee 3 Quebec. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. I'm giving you a signal of 5 and 5. This is Nicholas calling.
Golf Bravo 1 Bravo Bravo, Lima Yankee 3 Quebec. Good evening. Your signal is 5959 over. Many stations calling. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Lima Yankee 3 Quebec, can you just give me your location?
My location is Baltic Sea Coast, Lithuania. Town Palanga, Papa Alpha, Lima Alpha, November Golf Alpha. Back to you.
Lovely, I got that. Palanga, I can't pronounce that, but thank you for calling. Lovely to get you. Lima Yankee 3 Quebec, this is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo, sending best wishes to the Baltic. Thank you. 73. This is GB1BBB, who's calling?
Echo 0 Fox, Victor November. India, Quebec, Lima. Golf 8, India, Quebec, Lima. Over.
Mike 1
Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
November.
Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. I'm talking to Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. I want to give you a signal of 5 and 7. This is Nicholas calling. Yeah, Roger, from Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Good evening, Nicholas. You are 5-8 from Reading. Reading in Berkshire, 7-3 from Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Golf 4, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Thank you to report 5-8, and from Reading, 73. This is GB1BB.
Mike India 5, Juliet Yankee Kilo, 2 Victor November. Juliet Yankee Kilo, Mike 1, Juliet Mike Hotel. Mike India 5, Japan Yankee Kilo,
3-0, NUS.
2 Echo 0, Fox Victor November.
Golf 8 India, Quebec Lima.
Can the 2 Echo 0 call come back, please? 2 Echo 0 are coming through strong. Can you repeat?
Fox Victor November. 2E0 Fox Victor November.
2E0, Fox Victor November, is that correct? 2E0, Fox Victor November?
Roger, Roger, GB1BB, 2E0 FVN. Thank you very much, Nicholas. My name is Mark, and you're 5 and 7, 57 for you, over.
Thank you, Mark, on the 2E0 FVN. I'm going to give you a 5 and 7. Thank you very much for calling, Mark. This is Nicholas. This is Golf Bravo, 1 Bravo Bravo. I have to announce that we are now going QRT. We are radio station. I hope to put your main call sign M7 Bravo Oscar Yankee. Thank you for everyone who's calling. Hope you enjoyed the pile-up, Nicholas.
You're on the wrong station, GB1BY.
Yeah, 7-3 is well done, guys, G6DOD. Thank you very much, 2E0 FVN.
G3SKY, on the air. Thanks for everybody for calling in.
Yeah, I didn't get him, but nice one. Well done. Good to see you back on the call station. You've got to work there. GB1. Good activation, lad. Thank you very much indeed for all you've got.
Nice to see you.
Very good to work you all.
Very much.